Alright everyone, we will come back with another tutorial. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to make bench in 5 minutes. Alright. And now without wasting any time, start the tutorial. Alright, in this tutorial if any key I press you can see here. And now first go to edit preferences and search for image as plane. And now press Shift A and go to image and add image as plane. And also I provide you preferences image link in description. And now go to edit mode and press K for knife tool. And cut this like me, as you seen on screen. At the last press enter and now press 3. And select the cut reference and press P for selection and go to edit mode again. And again, use knife tool to cut the reference as you seen on screen. And lastly select the face and press X to delete the face. And now set this like me. And now go to material preview and minus the color. And now go to edit mode and press 1 for vert select. And press A to select all, and now press E to extrude, and now go to object mode. And right click and shade smooth, and now press Shift D and duplicate this. And add a cube and now press S then Z. To scale on Z axis, and now press, and now resize this as you seen on screen.